Yo, what's up, guys? It is Nick here with some raw day trading, and let's get right into it. Today I am sitting at plus 630, and not super happy about it. I was up 800 very quickly, and I gave a 300 of that back before I was up about 9 probably. Gave 300 of it back, 400 of it back very quickly. And let me see if this is the right one. It's the second. No, it's the third. No, okay, it's the right one. Okay. Gave a bunch of money back. And I kind of backed off till I found something that worked. But basically, everything I didn't trade. Okay, so the first 5 minutes not trading was great. 5 not trading was good. Actually, it was probably like the first 3. Lots of glitches. There were a lot of glitches on DOS and on the Thinkorswim charts. Trading. Can't. Lots of glitches. All right. So now we're coming into the open here. I was watching HCWB. This BCTX looked like it was kind of moving, but it had really light volume, so I was probably less likely to take it. SOAP I did actually decently at first, and then really nice on BCTS. Look at that. Boom. Let's see where I take my first trade. 32. All right, 33 is officially when I kind of like open it up for myself to trade. I added in the notes not to take any dip trades near the open just because they've tended to be very extreme and dip way farther than I realize. I had this continuation name, CYCN, pushing up here. This one actually had very light volume, but I had a good entry at 14, and I was able to hold until it got above 27. Modest position size at 2,500 shares. Got a nice $300. And that was a decent start to the day. I saw there was a lot of chaos happening with other traders, so that was kind of my cue. That was my cue to step off of the gas and be in a more reserved state. I was very cautious with a lot of stuff. I wanted that HCWB to take off. It didn't. REBN, I hesitated a little bit too long on. It halts up. I don't get a trade on it. BCTX, I'm not going to trade. Then HCWB starts curling. And I'm watching it. It's pushing up here above these levels, above this consolidation. I'm keeping an eye on it. It dips, it fails. I don't take any trades. Again, being cautious, being aware. SOPA is the one that starts looking good. Although I have 5,000 shares queued up and I get a little bit timid on it. And I don't take this trade. I probably would have taken that. REBN opens up. I was actually pretty happy about this trade right here. It wasn't fantastic, but I was good at waiting for that dip out of the halt. The real dip, not like the fake kind of glitchy dip. Although did not hold it to the full extent of the capability there. It ends up going all the way up there. to 6.8. It was beautiful. Meanwhile, on the other hand, SOPA just rips up here. I get none of this. Let's watch this, how this happens. So this halts down. Immediately, SOPA catches a bid. Like, it's immediate. It's not even. Look at how correlated this is. Halts down. People are probably lost money, and then they jump over immediately to SOPA, and they load in, and you see some buying start right there, and really just continue. Boom, boom, boom. Blowing through the highs. You know, it did do a nice little consolidation down here. And then I'm going to come in and try to time this, and I'm going to mess it up. I should have been in on this one. If I'm being honest, you know, it bounced up to 60. Getting in here would have been nice. We're there. That would have been amazing. I was hesitant, and so I let it go. Odds get more and more dangerous. I don't take that. Finally take a position down here. Looks like it's hesitating. Nice little consolidation, mini consolidation here. Volume's okay. Get in right there. And I put an order out on the ass. It kind of pushes the price down, and then I take the lot, or I take the flat trade. It's about to close. The 5 minutes about to close on this one. And I'm queued up, ready to buy. SOPA, this one right here. It's looking decent. Like, if it closes green here, I think it would be a nice maybe. So, boom, I get in, get out. Another $300, not too shabby. I mean, honestly, it's a nice little quick trade. 55 to 61. Could have held longer, but I didn't. And I think it does end up reversing here. Yeah. I get another trade on it somewhere as a 346. And then I end up giving it all back. Make a little money on HCWB, but oh yeah, this was a brutal roasting of a lot of traders here. So HCWB. Oh, it wasn't even, I didn't even have it. Let's see, where did I have it? Oh yeah, it's right here. So HCWB, it's pushing new highs right here. It's pushing $1. I jump in, really small size, honestly, and get out, pops above 1 for a second. Looks like it's kind of holding. It's taking a hit now. And then, boom, if you didn't get out there, holy crap. Well, let's say you get in here. It's hesitating, you got to get out. Yeah. Yep, and then totally reversed. Glad I have the policy of not taking these big flushes right now because they are just roasting people. Roaster doodle. Roasting them on a spigot, if you know what I mean. So that was that. That was that. All right. Really wild first half hour here. And then USCG started moving. I didn't really trade it, but I do want to check where I gave back so much money on SOPA. Okay, so SOPA makes a move up here. Oh. And I don't take any trades here. I'm waiting for it to do this kind of like V-shaped movement, but it already got rejected a couple times. And then I take a trade here. I hold too long. I hold too long. It gets, I think I get out like at a good price in this trade. And so I'm up 437, but I keep taking trades. Now I'm back down to up 318, back down to 243. And it's just like, the area is just sketchy. Like there's already a consolidation range. It's created another lower consolidation range. I was taking the tops, like almost definitely taking the tops of these consolidation range, not the bottom. At one point I go red. Yep, that was me taking the top again. Trying to take these breakouts. And that was a big mistake, and that's where I gave back a bunch of money. Fast forward to the rest of the day, there was one other stock that I traded, which was, and I didn't even trade it that well. It was a penny stock, so that was going against my kind of stated goals of not trading penny stocks, but I made a little money. It was in the transition phase from the 90s to the whole dollar. So that was kind of like, I'm gently loosening up those rules as I start making more and more money. And basically the trading tap turns back on, and I want to be able to take advantage of stuff as things open up. Let's see here if I can get a little sample. Yeah, so IVVD was the one I was trading. And then as it came up and broke $1, which was not here, I ended up making $1.80 on it. Nothing crazy. 12.55. No, I want this one. 11.55. Yeah, and so like it curls back up here, obviously going for $1, and then I start taking trades. It had a really weird action right here. It was kind of pinned to the $1 range. Get a nice trade right there. Never really get above 3, I don't think. Get up to like 260, and then I give it back to 180. But that's the way the cookie crumbles today. I'll look to come back tomorrow more aware of the consolidation. Writing that down, be more cautious in consolidations, especially stair-stepping downwards. And then yeah, also not trading in the first 5 minutes. I think those two kind of really made a good positive difference. So anyways, that's it for me. I'm out. Catch you guys mañana, tomorrow, Tuesday.